Today I'm gonna be ranking sports. Soccer, I'll give that like a 7. Basketball, I'll give it a 4. Football, 8. I won't do that. Baseball, 9. No. Softball, it's for girls. But I'll do. No, wait. Was that 10? Wait, no, this is tennis.
Yeah, that's tennis.
Tennis, I would definitely do. I'll give it like a 2, maybe. Tennis looks fun. This is volleyball. Volleyball, 1. What is this? Is this softball? Or what is that? I don't even know what is that, so I'm gonna put it at 10. Ping pong, 3. Hockey, I do not like it, so I'll put it at 6. Bye.